I have some really exciting news.
It's time for another monthly collab!
Hi everyone, my name is Sam. Welcome to the channel. The monthly collab series is a way for me to work on really cool projects with you. At the end of my videos, I give out a prompt, and in the comments down below, you leave your wild and crazy ideas. I'll pick an idea I like, build it, and mail it to the person who had the winning idea. No strings attached. Today, we're talking all about plants. You guys had a ton of good ideas, but I got a really good chuckle out of this comment from Shizy53. The idea was that I make a planter that tracks when my plant needs water, then cries like a newborn baby when it's a little parched. The best part about this idea is that a plant store is actually just called a plant nursery. So I decided to make a bunch of plant babies, turning my house into a real plant nursery. Let's get to building. Great news. I made these terrifying baby heads last night, and they didn't kill me in my sleep. So I got that going for me. They're really only missing one more thing until I can kind of put it all together, and that is googly eyes. Let's get to it. Okay, babies are done. All that's left to do is to go buy some plants. And honestly, that can't happen soon enough because this is what my house sounds like currently.
I'm thirsty! I need water!
So some of you may have noticed that this monthly collab didn't fall exactly 1 month after the last one. And there's actually a good reason for that. There were so many good ideas for the plant prompt video that I actually had a hard time picking. So much so that I ended up picking 2 ideas. This comment from Mike, where he suggests that I turn all of my plants into Tamagotchis, hit me right in the nostalgia. So I decided to do what any totally normal human would do. I built an app that turns my plant babies into Tamagotchis. And obviously, since that isn't enough work, I spent the rest of my time hand drawing all of the art for the app, which actually ended up being my favorite part of this project. It was weirdly relaxing. Anyway, to turn on Tamagotchi mode, you just gotta click the button on the front of the plant baby and open up the app. Then it's super easy to check out all the cool info about your plant, like its name and how much water it's been getting over the last few days. You can even see how much light it's been getting, all in one place. One thing that became apparent about halfway through the project is between my day job, the other things going on in my life, and working on collabs with you guys every single month, there isn't really enough time in my day to work on bigger projects. I've decided to rename the series from Monthly Collab Series to just The Collab Series. That being said, the next collab is all about coffee. So in the comments down below, leave me all of your crazy ideas that have to do with coffee and tea. This project, just like all of my other projects, is totally open source, which means that all of the files will be in the description down below so you can make your very own plant babies. Chizzy53 and Mike, I have 2 plant babies that are looking for a good home, so reach out to me on Instagram at SamsonMarch and I'll make sure to get those shipped out to you ASAP. A huge thank you to all my Patreon supporters. It's because of you that I can afford to work on really cool projects like this. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video with everyone. It really helps the channel grow. I'll catch you in the next one.
Thanks for watching.